This is the John Roberts design 32 cruiser. It is John Roberts was a local designer who had worked with Tullycraft. He worked also designing small commercial fishing vessels as well, and he designed a handful of these pleasure crafts here, just of his own accord. It's a 1970. The owner had bought her 9 years ago, I believe, and has kept her in very good shape. Bought her for his family. Now, legend has it that John Roberts designed this boat for himself, and that the owner really had been treating it like an institution, more than his own possession that he knew he'd be passing over one day. The boat is a 1970, so you've got some wear and tear. I'll just ride right here. You can see a lot of the cracking that is in the mold. All of this is very fixable, but it's something that you'd probably expect to see on a now 50-year-old boat. I think where this boat really holds its value, as you can see, has a kicker on the back as well that it comes with. Fantastic swim step. Massive, massive fishing deck. Hop aboard here. Jump up to the bridge, which is also of an extended size. I really do love the platform layout of this boat. Not a lot was developed here, but a lot could be. So that's very cool. It's almost like a blank canvas there. Again, kind of bare bones here. As you can see, he has a newer Garmin that he keeps in storage right now. He also has a full cover, weather cover, that goes over the entire deck. And so that's something I think that is really worthy. The cover itself is, the sides are in excellent shape. The top is due to be changed. So it's definitely on the latter side there, but at least you've got the pattern, and that's something that is worth considering, and it's a nice bonus to have. Coming into the main cabin here, you've got the galley stepping on the side, propane 4-burner stove, single sink. You've got your convertible salon here that turns into a sleeping area. You got the captain's bed right here, it turns into sleeping area. Of course, the helm. I don't know if it's a second Garmin on here or just the same one that he brings up and down. Very sizable V-berth. You can see with some drawers and cabinetry. The fur headliner here is in terrific shape. It doesn't bristle. This headliner as well it looks gleaming new. And as the owner tells me, it is the original. But I'm just too impressed with it and find it hard to believe it's the original. But hey, that's what I hear. The bathroom also, speaking of impressive, is enormous. Nice homey view outside. Independent shower on there. The head has just been recently rebuilt, and it's electrical flushable. All extremely nice. Big fan of the head. Oh, refrigerator as well. I'm going to pause it to open up the engine. Of course, I had been saying before, the real value is in the engine down here, which is a rebuild. And we'll have a look at it. This right here is the Oldsmobile. I believe it's a 360 horsepower large block. It is the owner completely rebuilt it in, I'm going to say 2013. New carburetor, all new distributor caps. That's a brand new heat exchanger on there as well. Hoses, belts, exhaust, intakes, even brand new through holes on the side here. Well, the intake anyway. Also, engine mounts. They become in excellent shape as well. So this motor runs, I believe it takes about 9 to 12 knots. And I would guess probably about 5 or 6 gallons per hour. So, again, for a gas engine, which is great for cruising the islands, this is what you want in a boat. The boat itself can have parts replaced, and engines can too, but it's nice when the owner had put in the time and the money to make sure that he's got a solid engine. And he did that because he cared about his family, wanted to make sure that they were safe and their boat was reliable. So he's asking $28,500 for it. I believe he is flexible on that. Worth coming down and checking out.